All right, kia ora everyone. It's Nathan Rose from Capgemini here in beautiful Auckland, New Zealand. I've got three exciting things to show you today. Firstly, I'm going to show you the new copy function in Power FX working in a model-driven app. Secondly, I'll show you the new hashtags function in a model-driven app. And then I'll combine those and show you how you can use those to work with ChatGPT in a model-driven app. So let's go ahead and get into the model-driven app, and I'll show you this stuff in action. So I've got a table in my app called products, and in this table I've got a few columns. I've got a product comment, and I've got a product description that has some hashtags related to this product. And what I want to do is I want to split these hashtags out, combine them with the product comment, and then I want to run it through ChatGPT to have it suggest some really good marketing tweets for me. So what I've done is I've created a custom page to do this. So this is my custom page here in my model-driven app. You can see that the products have loaded in a gallery. And when I click this button, it's going to copy this product description to the clipboard on my device. So let's go ahead and do that. It's copied this. I'm going to paste it here in this text box. And you can see that this gallery here has immediately split these hashtags out for me. This is using the new hashtag function in Power FX. So that's pretty cool, right? So now what I want to do is I want to combine this product comment here with my hashtag that I've split out, and I want to run that through ChatGPT. So I'll click this icon here. This is going to combine that product comment along with the hashtag. And let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT. So you can see that it's concatenated this for me. Now, unfortunately, I am getting an error when I query ChatGPT from the custom page in the model-driven app. So it's something I'm still trying to work out why this is happening. However, when I go into the test canvas, this does work for me. So let's go into the test canvas for this custom page, and I'll show you how I'm using the copy and hashtag functions as well as this query to ChatGPT actually working for me. So this is so this is the so this is the back end of my custom page. You can see I've got my gallery here of products, and on this icon, this is the copy function. So it's just copying the product description from from the product in the gallery. And then the hashtags function is running on this gallery here. And it's just using hashtags, and it references a block of text. So in this case, I've got a text box here where I'm copying the product description with the hashtags, which populates this gallery. And then I've put an icon control on each item in the gallery. And this is where I'm generating my query for ChatGPT. So I'm hard coding, can you please write a marketing tweet? And then I'm adding in the product description from the product as well as the hashtag that's been split out. And so that's what's going to ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and play this in the test canvas to actually see it in action. So I'm quickly going to clear my collection, and let's copy the test products description. Let's paste it in here. You can see that it's populated our gallery of hashtags. We'll generate our query to ChatGPT, and let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT. So it's doing its thing, and you can see that it's come back with a response. So this does actually work behind the scenes. I'm still trying to figure out why I'm getting an error here in my model-driven app, but this does work behind the scenes. So that's how you can use the copy and hashtag function in PowerFX to have some fun and take some data and send that to ChatGPT to get a response back. Now, a quick word about using AI responsibly. This is not something you'd likely do in a production setting, given that ChatGPT is a public AI model and anything you run through it becomes part of that model. So generally speaking, data in a model-driven app is somewhat sensitive and you wouldn't want to do that. But just gives you an idea of what's possible with some of these new functions in Power FX and some of the new tools on the Power Platform. Lastly, something that I would really like to do is to close the loop in terms of we've got this really cool tweet back from ChatGPT, and I'd love to populate this on the row in my model-driven app. Now, I'm running into issues when I do this. So I'm running into issues when I do this. So what I want to do is just use a simple patch statement. The issue I'm up against is this response from ChatGPT is coming as part of a collection. When I split out this column from the collection with the response and convert it to text, I'm getting an error. I have to convert it to text to populate this column in the model driven app, but I am getting an error in my custom page at the moment in the IntelliSense. So I'm still trying to figure out why that's not working. So there's a few issues with this. This certainly isn't something that is production ready, but again, it does give you an idea of what's possible with some of these new Power Effects functions and some of the new tools in the Power Platform. So thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. That's an overview of the new copy and hashtags functions, as well as how you can use them to interact with ChatGPT in a model-driven app. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.